Honestly speaking, if you know you suffer from things like dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and they refuse to go, guys, that your brightening body lotion is not going to get rid of it. What you need is a lightening body lotion. And guys, in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys the best and effective lightening body lotions. Hello everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. And guys, in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some amazing and effective lightening body lotions. Guys, these body lotions will lighten up your skin. So those your dark spots, those your hyperpigmentation, those your uneven skin tone, that thing that you have, that particular thing that you have on your skin that refuses to go, that refuses to lighten up, or it's going to do it for you. Okay. And guys, another thing again that you need to know is that these body lotions are not harmful at all. They contain very safe skincare ingredients that are not harmful. They will not bleach your skin, and they are very effective. Okay. Now, when it comes to lightening body lotions are lotions that would help you maybe get rid of dark spots, hyperpigmentation on your skin, those uneven skin tone. Like, help to get rid of all those your discoloration on your skin and uneven skin. That is what lightening body lotions will do for you. So lightening body lotions are not bad. The difference between lightening body lotions and brightening body lotions is that lightening body lotions will help to actually lighten up your skin, a particular area in your skin that needs to be lightened up. And while brightening body lotions, what they will do for you is to actually help to maintain and glow up your skin, give your skin that extra brightening, that extra glow. That is what it will do for you. So they are not harmful. Lightening body lotions are not harmful. All you need to know is that you need to know how to make use of them, how and when to use them. Okay. Now, when it comes to lightening body lotions, there's some ingredients that you need to actually look out for. Okay, when it comes to lightening body lotions, look out for ingredients like kojic acid, glutathione, tranexamic acid, alpha-arbutin, and hydroquinone. But when it comes to hydroquinone should be used under supervision, okay, by a skincare professional or a dermatologist, somebody that actually recommends it or prescribes it for you, will actually keep you under supervision, because you're not meant to use hydroquinone for a long time. There's a way at manner at which you're meant to actually use hydroquinone that will not damage your skin. So the thing about hydroquinone is that most people actually tend to abuse it. That is why people have ruled it off, that, you know what, do not use hydroquinone anymore, and they decided to go for alternatives like alpha-arbutin instead of you using hydroquinone. Okay, I'm going to get down into recommending amazing lightening body lotions. Okay, now the first lightening body lotion on my list is from Skin by Zion, and that's their Skin by Zion Skin Glow Therapy lotion. Guys, this lotion is amazing. Okay, it is really good. It contains ingredients like alpha-arbutin, kojic acid, niacinamide, and ascorbic acid. And the kojic acid it contains is kojic acid palmitate. So guys, this body lotion is so good. Like, it contains ingredients like kojic acid and alpha-arbutin, meaning that it's going to actually do an amazing job on your skin when it comes to lightening. Like, it's going to actually lighten up your skin. Okay, but my advice is not use body lotion every day and use it at night. Okay, not of the kojic acid and the alpha-arbutin that it contains. So you want to use it at night and not in the daytime, so that you will not end up damaging your skin. Okay, the second body lotion on my list is this one from Face Facts. Guys, this is one I currently use for my skin. I use it as my exfoliating body lotion. This is what I use for my skin. This is the Face Facts kojic acid with retinol lotion. So it's packed with two amazing ingredients, kojic acid and retinol. Guys, retinol for skin renewal, kojic acid to help to brighten up your skin or lighten up your skin. Now, the thing is that this body lotion is very safe. This particular body lotion is amazing. Like, it is very amazing, and it is one of the cheapest, or I would say most affordable lightening body lotions. Okay, it is actually very affordable. It is way more affordable than the Skin by Zion. Okay, this one is actually very affordable, and guys, trust me, you will love it. Like, when you use it on your skin, you will love it, trust me. And guys, this particular body lotion contains kojic acid and retinol. Kojic acid is going to help to inhibit melanin production on your skin, and also help to lighten up some certain areas of your skin that is dark, or where you have uneven skin tone. It's going to help to lighten those parts up. And then retinol for skin renewal. So I use this one as my regular exfoliating body lotions. Like, I use that my exfoliating body lotions. I don't use glycolic acid or lactic acid. I just use this one because this one is cheaper. It's way more affordable for me. I use it and I've really been enjoying it, okay, on my skin. But you might experience like a form of slow progress, but trust me, with time you start seeing changes on your skin. Don't expect it to work like magic, okay? With time you start seeing changes on your skin. Okay? Now the second body lotion on my list is the one from Koji White. And now this Koji White body lotion has two types. It has the one that contains papaya and the other one that contains just kojic acid. Okay, now it contains key ingredients, okay, in them, and the key ingredients that it contains in them are kojic acid, arbutin, urea, and glutathione. These are amazing ingredients, and you will not want to use this lotion in the daytime. Please, you want to use it at night, okay, because of the glutathione, the kojic acid, and arbutin that it contains, and also urea that it has in it. Okay, so you want to use it in the night, and you also want to use it as maybe as your exfoliating body lotion. If you want to be like, if you want to like kind of like save cost, you can use it as your exfoliating body lotion. So it all depends on what you want. You can get the one with the papaya, you can get the one with the only kojic acid in it. All of the but both of the lotions contains arbutin, urea, and glutathione. The only difference is that one contains papaya as an extra ingredient, while the other one does not have papaya in it. Okay, now the next body lotion on my list is one from this brand called APLB body lotion. Guys, this one is an amazing one, trust me, it is so good, and it's also very much affordable. It contains ingredients like glutathione and niacinamide. This one is so good, trust me, like you really love it on your skin. Glutathione is going to help to lighten up your skin. Niacinamide as well also has the effect of brightening up the skin, so you guys will love this particular APLB body lotion. And now the next one on my list is amlactin with vitamin C. So we have different types of amlactin. We have the amlactin that contains just lactic acid, while we have the one that contains vitamin C as well, both lactic acid and vitamin C. So this one is the Lightening body lotion one, and it also contains niacinamide in it as well. Okay, now this one is one that you want to be very careful using. You don't want to use it every day. You want to use it only at night. Okay, maybe nights in which you want to exfoliate your skin, you use them. You use it rather. You don't want to use it every day. You also want to be very careful when using it, so you not use it so that you will not damage your skin. And it contains lactic acid, so if you know you have maybe a dry skin, you can actually use this one. It is actually good, okay, and use it at night alone. Okay, the next body lotion on my list is this one called the Topicreme Mela. Guys, this Topicreme Mela is a very good one. Yes, it might be on the high side when it comes to price, but it is very good, okay, and it is actually very scarce. Like, you don't see it everywhere. Like, it's actually very scarce, this Topicreme, and it does it, and it is really good, trust me. Like, it is one very good body lotion for hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Like, if you know you have uneven skin tone, like one part of your skin is darker than the other part, guys, this lotion is going to transform your skin. Okay, it contains ingredients like octadesinoduric acid, also contains ingredients like Bright, also contains ingredients like niacinamide and acetyl glucosamine. Guys, it doesn't contain your regular Lightening body lotion ingredients. It contains some other ingredients, okay, they are very good and very effective. Like, they're chemically formulated. Yeah, they're chemically formulated. They're so good, trust me, they're so good, and you guys will love it. Like, this Topicreme Mela is one amazing body lotion that I know that people that have used it have actually said a lot of amazing things about it. Now, the last body lotion on my list I'm going to recommend is the one from Easy Natural, and they have two types of it. They have the Easy Natural brightening body lotion, which contains tranexamic acid, alpha arbutin, and kojic acid, and we also have the Easy Natural even tone body lotion, which contains kojic acid, AHA fruit acid in 2%, and licorice extract. So we have two, but they are both good depending on the one that you want to get. Okay, they both contain really strong and effective lightening ingredients, so they are both good. So it all depends on what you want. I think this Easy Natural is actually a Nigerian brand, and it's actually very good. So I've seen people that have used it and they actually said nice things about it. So guys, you guys can actually try it out and give your feedback. Guys, these are all the lightening body lotions, some of the lightening body lotions I have for you guys. And guys, honestly speaking, these lotions are very good, and you will not want to use them in the daytime. All these lotions I mentioned should be your night lotion, and you shouldn't be using them every day because it contains some strong ingredients that if you continually use them every day, it could compromise your skin's barrier. Okay, so you don't want to use them every day. You want to only use them at night, maybe like 3 times in a week at night. Okay, that's perfect. Then you can use your other regular body lotion in the daytime, and every other night you're not going to use it, you can also use your regular body lotion, okay, or your body butter, which is fantastic. Okay, another thing that you need to understand is that these body lotions, don't expect it to work like magic. Don't expect to start seeing changes on your skin in 5 days, in 7 days, because they are not bleaching products. Only bleaching products will give you that whole lighting in 7 days, in 5 days. Only bleaching skincare products will do that for you. but these products are not bleaching products, so they need to take, so you're going to take some time before you start seeing some changes in your skin. Give it like a month, 2 months. In fact, and even use one whole bottle and you might not really see so much change. Yes, there might be a bit of change, but not so much change. But you have to consistently and continually make use of these body lotions before you start seeing changes in your skin. Like when I started using the Face Facts kojic acid body lotion, I wasn't really seeing anything on my skin, but trust me, right now I can actually tell you that my skin actually feels so soft, and it's actually, I can actually hardly even see the dark spots again I have on my skin. You guys actually need to be very patient and consistent when it comes to skincare, because good skincare products, they take their time before working. Okay, they're not bleaching products, so you need to actually give it time before you start seeing changes on your skin. Okay, and if you pair this with a very good body soap, guys, your skin is going to transform. Okay, you're going to love your skin. And don't forget to also use a sunscreen in the daytime, because you are lightening up your skin, so you want to use a sunscreen in the daytime to avoid whatever results that you've gotten from spoiling or damaging whatever result that you've gotten from your lightening body lotions. And after these products have done what it's supposed to do for your skin, you can now get a brightening body lotion that will help you seal everything up, okay, to glow up your skin. And you can also use your brightening body lotion in the daytime. Yes, maybe this one can be your night lotion, then your brightening body lotions, you can use them in the daytime, or your body butter in the daytime. That's fine. I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts about this video, and if there's any other video you guys want me to make for you, let me also know that. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Just always subscribe to my channel, like my video, share, and also leave your comments. And till then, I'll see you in the next one. So till then, bye.